At CDigital, we produce the finest all-digital, full-color heat transfers available. With one pass, they make your products look like this. Since 2001, we've operated from this 30,000 square foot facility just minutes from Baltimore's BWI Airport. Today, our transfers can be found on over 150 different plastic, metal, glass, and ceramic products. Whether you're a promotional product supplier seeking fast-turn, full-color decoration, or a high-volume manufacturer needing some sort of variable data, our order culture is the same. Receive your order electronically, quickly confirm the details, and pre-press your art as needed. Your order is then sent to our Xeikon digital printers. Your artwork is digitally printed in CMYK plus white on the underside of one of our proprietary polyester films. Several artworks can be combined in a single run, yielding high-volume economies on a series of short runs. In line with the printers, our custom finishing equipment applies an adhesive specific to your product's material, dries the film, then slits and winds it on cores. The image film is then packed and shipped to your facility, often the day following the placement of your order. Upon receipt in your facility, the film is loaded onto a transfer machine that uses heat and pressure to take the image off our film and apply it to your product. CDigital film will run on most conventional hot stamp equipment. If you're new to using transfers, we'll be pleased to recommend some machine manufacturers and will work with them to assure that your transfer program gets off to a smooth start. Please give us a call to learn more about our digital heat transfers or to arrange a visit to our plant to determine if your products are ready for CDigital color.